Hello, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here on week 3 of hashtag 30 weeks of a pocket letter. And I did a little different than I usually do. And I used my little Julie Nutting doll. And I colored her and I gave her a boot bathing suit. And I got this ocean scenery in the back. And everything's above this. Nothing's in the pockets itself. I have a seagull, and then it says, just playing in the sand, swim like a fish. And I got a dolphin, I got a fish, I got a little umbrella, and I got her with her hat on and sunglasses, and she has a drink and an ice cream cone. And then there's the surfboard. It says, ride the waves. And then down on the bottom, you got some seashells that washed up on the shore. You got the little fin things to swim, and then the snorkel, glasses, sunglasses, a little crabby snuck in there, some more seashells, and then there's a sand castle and some tanning lotion, the beach ball, and the sand pail, and some more seashells on that. So it's a scenery versus individual pockets. So I'll show you the top. Down the side is just this washi tape. I thought kind of looked like waves, and then I just have this here and a little starfish. And of course, I always do the front as well as I do the back. And this is the back, different scenery. And on this one, I have say hello to summer. I love summer. Welcome to summer. I love sun. Crazy flamingo lady. Oh, the ocean makes her heart sing. I have one of my Julie Nutting dolls. I got her colored. Same polka dots, except this side she's wearing the pink polka dots. And on this one she's got the teal polka dots, and I got the pink polka dots here and here as well. And her shoes. Down here it says, hello summer. Enjoy the summer, summertime. And we got the flamingo, and I put some feathers so he's kind of fluffy. I got a pineapple. Oops, my pineapple came up. Stick down. I'll have to maybe glue it. She's got a watermelon in her hand, an umbrella, and a flower. And we got the sandcastle, beach ball, some more shells. Got the hat this time on down here on the ground, and sunglasses, and a seashell, a little crabby, and her flip-flops, and another sandcastle, and some seashells, and some greenery. And that's this one. And I got a little seahorse up here, just to get it some decorated. Now, anybody can do this hashtag 30 weeks to the pocket letter. All you do is have to decorate a pocket letter. You don't have to do both sides. I like doing both sides. And upload a video on every Wednesday after 2 Central Standard Time. And show us what you create. You don't have to send them out to anybody. You just have to share what you create. Like I said, this one's more of a scenery pocket letter where the paper itself in the pockets aren't decorated. Everything on this one's outside. And, oh, I forgot, I have an anchor and the umbrella. And I wanted to do a Julie Nutting one, so I thought, okay, what can I do? And this was a stamp I bought last year. It does come with the sand, just playing in the sand. And I thought she was cute. So I hope you enjoyed this. I'll show you one more time a close-up. Kind of. And then the back side. This was like more advertising on this side. Oh, and I did put string on a boat. There was this, they had string. I just made it like dimensional and put these little fins there, like I meant to put them down further so it looked like they were hanging, but oh well. So that's it, guys. I'm going to take the time to thank each and every one of you for watching. I hope people enjoy these. Like I said, we're on week 3 of 30. So, I hope you enjoy watching these, and if you like to do it, just join in the fun. As always, guys, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now. Bye, everybody.